I wanted to talk about how you can get a stack diffs-like experience with just plain Git. So here I have an empty directory, and I'm gonna go and initialize a repo here. Let's echo something into a file, add the file into Git, and commit that. Alright, so imagine your work has two parts and you want to stack one on top of another. Let's switch into a new branch, call it stack1, git switch create, and stack1. Alright, now suppose you want to change the text to something else. We add the file. And let's do it one more time. So change 2 and stack1, change 2. Now, if you want to base the second part of your work on top of this, you will create a new branch off of this. So git switch -- create stack2. Excellent. Let's make similar changes. So in this case, I just say echo stack2, change 1 into file. And then commit with the same message, and maybe make another change. And commit with the same message. Now put yourself in the shoes of your coworker. So you want to switch to the master branch and you want to see the changes from this branch to the other one. Here I'll run git log --cc --reverse. I'll talk about that in a moment. Master ... stack2. And what you see here is all of the changes for each branch, and you can also see the names of these branches. So this is stack1, and these are the changes up to stack1. If I scroll down a bit, you'll see that this is a change made in stack2, and this is the head of the stack2. The reason I did reverse is to show all of these commits along with their commit messages and the branch in a chronological order. In fact, since you're on the master branch, you can go back and delete the word master completely, and it'll still work because it's implicitly saying, give me the log of all the changes from this branch to the other branch, and you get the same output. Alright, that's all there is to this short video. I hope you learned something. Bye now.